Alright guys, in today's video it's a little something different. I mean, because I always love exhaust videos and everything, so we're gonna get another exhaust! No, for real. Look at the video. What I got so far is the car had everything welded all together in one solid piece. So I had no axle back flange, I had no mid-pipe flange. It was basically just one solid piece. So it was a fun Sudoku puzzle trying to get it out of the lower control arm. But this exhaust was $110 on Amazon, so it's probably the cheapest exhaust I could find, and that's hence the video, buying the cheapest exhaust that I can for this car, so that way if I need to put on a muffler, I can just throw on a stock muffler, axle back, and we're looking pretty peachy. But anyways, I got this exhaust on, we're going to do this, and then we're going to go fix the cat, and I should be able to smog the car after this as well too, so I should get some exhaust clip videos, hopefully by this weekend, but that's my goal, is to get the exhaust on, get everything going, and then probably get the cat as well too. So I'll probably have 2 videos coming out soon for this thing, so that way I can get this thing to pass smog and go into my next steps. Yeah, no, that's pretty much all that I have for the intro. Let's get into it. Let's rip out the old poop exhaust and put on this Amazon one, and hopefully it fits. Later. Got the Sudoku puzzle. There's no. Now I just tighten this turd up. anyone can let me know what it is, because I either ran it over or it fell out of my car, but I think I fell out of my car because that grease matches my fucking engine bay. But I thought it was like a fuel tank strap bolt or a rack and pinion, or hopefully not a subframe bolt. I don't know. If someone can let me know, or if it's nothing, that'd be sweet. This is gonna be the next video, is replacing that cat. So stay tuned.